Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Nods from Japan-noz. Today I'm gonna show you Japanese instant stir-fry noodle UFO. Usually, instant noodle is noodle in soup, but we have instant stir-fry noodle using hot water. Okay, so why it is called UFO? UFO stands identify flying object, as you know. So the shape is UFO shape. Okay, so this is a little bit complicated to make, more complicated than the ordinary noodle in soup. But I'm gonna show you how to make this one. Okay, first open the package as usual. Okay, and peel the cover until here. So there's a mark. So there's a sachet inside. This is the sauce, special sauce for stir-fry noodle, and this one is on this cover. This is the kind of, can't explain this one. Something flavor, yeah, some flavor. So we don't need this one first. First, we put hot water in the here, and then leave 2 or 3 minutes, and take out water from here. Okay, open, peel this one, and this is holes, and you can pull out the water, take out the water from here. Okay, I'm going to the kitchen and put water and leave 3 minutes, and I'll be back here. Okay, it's ready. It's very good smell. It's really good. This sauce is soy sauce based, but a little bit sweet. Not little bit, sweet, and there's some flavor in it. It's really nice, and it's not same as the stir-fried noodles because it's not stir-fried, but tastes quite similar. It's not authentic much, but it's, you can compare the real noodle in soup and instant noodle in soup, right? Same thing, different things, but you can enjoy that. I really love this. I want to eat this once in a while, you know, same as what is it, KFC for you? I don't know, but I eat maybe once a month. Okay, so I'm gonna finish today's review. See you next video.